What if learning science wasn't just about reading it, but about seeing it, exploring it, and experimenting with it so it never feels abstract? In Andhra Pradesh, STEM learning is turning that vision into reality. Through our mini science centers set up in over 30 schools across 11 districts, we are helping students understand science and math in a more practical way. With over 80 hands-on models, complex concepts become simple and relatable, building conceptual clarity and bridging the gap between theory and the real world. Along with developing these models and installing labs, we also train teachers to integrate them into everyday lessons. This ensures classrooms become active learning spaces, their curiosity thrives, and every concept is explored through interaction and experimentation. Our approach encourages peer learning and fosters all-round growth, enhancing problem solving, creativity, emotional intelligence, and confidence among students. All this is made possible with the support of over 10 CSR partners who share our belief that every child deserves access to quality STEM education and the opportunity to learn, explore, and create their own future.